gas struts on your front trunk. Takes a couple of minutes, super easy. I just opened mine and it barely comes up, and I have to lift it up, and it might be just the hood latch getting caught, but long story short, it comes in a package of 2, so you'll need 2 struts, one for that side and one for this side. 2 identical parts. You don't need, because there are 2, you don't even need to really particularly fold it up or anything like so. Just doing a visual comparison right beforehand. It matches up perfectly. You got a flathead screwdriver. There is a little indentation here into which we insert a screwdriver from above like so. And then we'll simply twist to remove the latches. We'll do that for the top and for the bottom. Like so. There we go. So I just pressed in from this way, and that helped release this clip. So now to reinstall, it's simply the reverse. We take our new strut, we don't need to do anything. Simply pop it on, like so. You're gonna rotate it. Now they are in the correct orientation. Lift apart. Lo and behold, and we're done. For future reference, actually inserting from above might be also an easier angle instead of possibly damaging here. Simply pops right off. Sink one way, lower one. Pop it on. And we're done. And with that, I feel firm resistance. This feels awesome now. They sound, listen how they sound. They sound great. There's all this additional clearance at the front of it. Well, maybe not as much, but it feels better than before. Thanks for watching.